Hey guys, this is the Total Man compression hanger. I just got this. I thought I had done a video on this one, but I didn't. This is the male hanger. And this is Mike's version of the male hanger. This works in conjunction, if you want, works in conjunction with the rod system. It has those holes, so you just line it up, plug it in. I'm assuming you've got this on already. It has the torsion tension springs, so you can put it on. Mike did a video demonstrating it on Total Man Evolution, and you can wear the pair of them together. For me, that's a lot of gear, so I don't plan on using them in combination. I'll just use them separately. With the male hanger, it has one wing nut, and it swings, and this part here rubs against my thigh, which I don't really like. It doesn't do any scratching or damage or anything. It just annoys me, and I don't like being annoyed. Who does? The advantage of this one, even though it has two wing nuts, I think, is that you don't have to wear it this way because of the opening. You can wear it this way with the wing nuts on top, so that when it's hanging, these are pointing out away from your body, which I would prefer rather than being annoyed. Also, you shouldn't wear this, when it's on for more than 20 minutes. It's just not advised. The experts say 20 minutes, and you should listen to them because they have experience. And if you don't understand progressive overload, you just shouldn't do this at all. Now, I'm not an educator. I'm self-educated. I educated the hell out of myself before doing any of this stuff. And I'm not a doctor, unless you believe my dick is a rectal thermometer, in which case, come on over. I'm going to assume, since you're watching this video, you know how to use these. This is the system that I came up with rather than buying a system. I just went to the hardware store and bought this double-ended hook, this eye bolt, this washer and nut. And you just click it and hang it on there. And before I got this, I did the same thing with this. It had an S-hook on it. I took it off, and I just used the clip it on, and you just hang it on there. This is a 2.5 pound weight I got from Walmart. I've got more weights over there. I'm just using this one for demonstration. But I have used this, and it's comparable to the male hanger, like I said, but this one you can wear with these things pointing away from your body. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Be sure to give me a like down there, comment down below. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.